to silver in the fading of the light, and the mist is creeping softly o'er the brae. I can hear my mother calling through the shadows of the night, from a home that's 1,000 miles away. Oh, the green fields are sleeping 'neath the cold and heavy dew, and the wild birds are silent in the glen. Though I wander far and weary, still my heart returns to you, to walk upon that emerald soil again. The wind it sighs, the valley cries, my soul will rest where the clover